Today we're going to go over the wood blocking for the bottom of our post. You're going to need a cordless drill, masking tape, a pencil, a few screws at least 2.5 inches, and a wood blocking. Today we're going to be using a 2x8. So we found the position of our post here, so now we need to get the wood blocking in underneath. So on this side of the post we can see there is a floor joist that is directly underneath these two screw holes. So this blocking is going to be for the back side of this post, just to make sure that those spack screws have something to bite into. So I took some masking tape and actually hung it down in between the floor treads here, just to make sure I know from underneath where exactly my post is going to be. So we're underneath, we have our post on top, we have our tape hanging down here so we can see where we're at. So what we want to do is we at least want the board to come out to this one and then stretch from here to here. So we have a 2x8, so we're going to have more than enough room to come out here. So we've got 8.5 inches in between this board, so we're good there. Measure from the end side all the way to the second tread here, which is going to be 11 inches. So we need to cut our board down to 11 inches. And then if you can, when attaching the blocking, you either want to go in from the outside of the deck, or you might have to toenail it in on the inside. So here it looks like we're going to have to toenail it in. So we have our wood block cut. We can go ahead and remove these pieces of tape here. Alright, we'll set our blocking in place. So right there it looks like we're going to be good. So now we're going to go ahead and toenail this in. I would recommend at least 2 to 3 screws on each of these blocking. And with our blocking set underneath, we are good to go ahead and attach our post on the top.